Why are you under there? Explain it for the camera.
Because I was hiding from you.
And why were you hiding from me?
Because you were getting your camera.
And why was I getting my camera?
I don't remember.
The challenge was, and Charlie finds it difficult to turn down challenges, to do 5 press-ups. Now she's already done 1. She didn't manage to get up from the second. Right?
It was just a press.
Yeah. Right, so go. 3.5 more.
I won't be able to do it because I'm laughing.
Try harder, come on. Go.
Right. That was 1.
Close, close.
1.
Down, up, push, push, push. Push from there, go. Push. Stop laughing and push.
I can't.
Heave. It's not like you got much weight to press.
I do.
What was that?
I was cheating.
Come on, 2 more.
Oh,
2 more.
my arms are
That's the challenge. That's the challenge, Charlie. I have already beaten you at chess twice today,
No,
so
you haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have.
It's so irritating. Look at the scoreboard. It's in chalk.
Push, 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 push. Right.
That one?
That was about 3/4.
Oh no, that was 1.
2.5 more. Come on.
Turn up.
Yeah. What? Because you're being slow. Come on, hurry up, quick.
No, that's it.
Quick. No. One more then. One more proper one.
I'm going to go.
Down more. That's not a proper one.
Down more.
Are you going to do one last proper one? Come on.
The more I try, the harder it gets.
Your arms don't ache that much yet. Come on.
Try being me. That's as bad as it happens.
No, come on, bit more.
My legs hit the floor.
Okay, I'll stop the video.